In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate hours worked in Excel. Let's start by opening Microsoft Excel. You can use a blank workbook or add this to an existing sheet. Either way works. For our example, we'll keep things simple and focus on one shift. In column A, we'll use start time. In column B, we'll use end time. And in column C, we'll display hours worked. Imagine a typical workday that starts at 8 o'clock a.m. and ends at 5 p.m. Make sure you enter those times as real times, not text. If Excel recognizes them correctly, they'll align to the right and you'll be able to calculate with them. Now, to get the hours worked, click the cell where you want the result. Let's use C2 and type the formula B2A2, then press Enter. What you're doing here is subtracting the start time from the end time. Behind the scenes, Excel stores times as fractions of a day, so when you subtract one time from another, you get the portion of the day between them. That's why we'll adjust the display next to make it look like hours and minutes worked. If your result looks odd or shows a date, that's just formatting. Select the result cell, press Ctrl+1 to open the Format Cells dialog, then choose the custom category. In the type box, enter HM and confirm. This tells Excel to show elapsed hours and minutes. With our example, you should now see 9 oak, which represents 9 hours exactly. That formatting makes the duration clear and is perfect when you want to keep the time in an hours and minutes style. Sometimes, though, you'll need a decimal value for payroll or calculations that expect a simple number. To do that, enter a new formula using the same times. EU, B2, A2, chapter P4. Multiplying by 24 converts that fraction of a day into total hours. With our 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. example, you'll see 9 as the result. If Excel still shows a time format, change that cell to a number format so you see the plain 9. This decimal approach is handy when you need to multiply by a pay rate or some hours without mixing time formats. To recap, open Excel, enter a start time and an end time, subtract them with equals B2A2, format the result as HM to display hours and minutes, and when you need a numeric value, use equal B2A2, 24 to get total hours as a decimal. That's all there is to it. If the video has been helpful and want more tips, please subscribe to the channel. It's free.